Hello guys. I hope you all are doing well. This is the 16th of December 2026. Just wanted to cover for you guys a little bit of an update on the price, and just remember this is this is not a financial advice. This is just a kind of educational purposes, and it's just my own way of looking at things when it's coming to the market. So wanted to cover for you a few things in regards to BTC. So you can just um pay attention to few things that we might get into it. So the first thing that I'm looking at it, it's what I want really BTC in order to look into some kind of confirmation for a move and the continuation to the upper side. What we want first to see BTC doing is to coming and to sweeping this area and to tap this area, put some kind of a local structure, pullbacks at somewhere at around these levels, and then to start looking into a push and the move to the upper side. So this is what exactly you will be looking at it. But as long as BTC really is trading under this level, still there is really a good possibility for the price, like let's say to roll down from here. Looking also at a low time frame on BTC, I mean, just as like an areas at around these levels, there is a possibility for the price again to fail from around these levels after sweeping this area, and then to start rolling down, come back again to around like let's say this area and the daily open. From here, you might also get one more push and the continuation to the upper side. So just don't like really ape into this kind of price action and just like play it blindly. What you really want to see, in my opinion, is to see BTC pushing like let's say toward higher levels, and then from there, because this is as you can see, like this is Asia low of Monday, and as a direction, when you lose like let's say when you lose Asia low as like let's say you trade under it, then the bias and the direction would be for the week to see it going lower. To be honest with you, if this move that we put it here yesterday and we opened Asia by taking the lows, then I would feel more comfortable on giving you a bullish bias. But because like really it didn't happen, and that's for me, it's still a big question mark. What I was looking at it, it's mainly this move here to the downside is to sweep this, and then we start like let's say trading to the upper side. The reason behind it, again, coming back into a major area, and you can see mainly the volume was extremely big at around these levels, and coming into this cluster of consolidation that you do have it here. When you have the highest amount of volume, then you might start seeing like let's say some kind of shorts getting trapped, local bottom that you might start trading toward higher levels. Now, as I said, that's not the case. What you want to see, sorry, what you want really to see is BTC coming, taking these highs, but then after that, like let's say some kind of a local structure. And in that time, we're going to be coming back to the same exact levels that we have them as pivot levels, which they're going to be at the 88,300 level. I would say 320, yeah, it's fine. And then you want to see really this is holding from here, and you want to see more of a price action building inside the range of Asia, and to spend more time here in order to see the push and the move to the upper side. Till that it's going to happen, I think there is still a probability, like let's say, that you need to factor it for the price to move to the downside. Um, Sol for now, it's trading just a little bit cleaner than BTC, like let's say cleaner than ETH, sorry. Just because Sol ETH, like let's say pair that it's coming into a major, I would say, bottom of the range. So for ETH, I don't really have anything like let's say on ETH, as long as we're not moving above these highs, above these levels. As long as we're not moving above it, then I really don't have anything on ETH. This is a major pivot area. You need to see really ETH moving above these levels in order to start looking for higher levels. And again, my best setup in that case, if you want to look into alts, is just to be patient and to play this. Once we're gonna move into this area and we start putting the structure of like let's say pullbacks, then maybe this is the area that we might look into some kind of entries, like let's say on altcoins. I am keeping an eye on Uniswap. I am keeping an eye on um Hyperliquid. Maybe we can get something on it, but yeah, we'll see how exactly things it's gonna play out. Still, it's not giving me any kind of a structure. I need the confirmation from BTC in order to start looking for other plays and other setups. That's pretty much for today. I will keep this just a short one. Wanted really to update you, like let's say all across, so I can, just give you a midweek update on this one. Wish you all the best, guys, and have an amazing week coming ahead. And please stay safe. Better sometimes is just to wait for confirmation and then act accordingly. Wish you all the best. Cheers. Bye bye.